It's a quiet evening, but something isn't quite right. Hunger, and not a thing to eat. But then, something exciting happens.
A little rain, a lot of rewards. Sometimes, the best surprises come when you least expect them.
Thank you, X-Braand. Now I can get something to eat. Shopping at X-Braand does indeed have its benefits. Even if I can't shop, others can and then pass their cashbacks to me.
When it rains at X-Braand, it can rain buckets of rewards and cashbacks. X-Braand. Giving out cashbacks since 2006. Shop now and get cashbacks on your purchases at www.x-brand.co.uk. Keep the cashbacks for yourself or pass them to others. Shopping at X-Braand has its rewards.